Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a helicopter in Grand Theft Auto 5. First, find a helicopter. These are commonly found at airports, helipads, or by calling for one. Once inside, initiate takeoff by holding down the right trigger on your controller. This action increases the rotor speed, generating the necessary lift to ascend from the ground. Maintain a gentle hold on the throttle to rise smoothly. To control your vertical movement, continue holding the right trigger to ascend further into the sky. When you need to descend, press and hold the left trigger, which reduces the throttle and slowly brings the helicopter down. For directional turns while hovering, use the left bumper to rotate the nose left and the right bumper to rotate it right. This allows for precise adjustments without forward movement. To begin moving forward, gently push the left analog stick forward, tilting the helicopter's nose downward. The more you push the stick, the faster your forward speed will become. Remember to manage your altitude simultaneously. You will need to apply a small amount of right trigger to counteract the natural descent caused by tilting. This balance is key for smooth, sustained flight across the city. For turning, push the left analog stick left or right to bank your helicopter in that direction. Combining this with the rudder controls, the left and right bumpers, creates much tighter and more efficient turns. You can also perform a strafing maneuver, moving sideways without changing the helicopter's forward-facing direction. This is achieved by pushing the left analog stick to the side while holding a steady hover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.